so I'm starting a new series of videos which will be uploaded every Saturday. They will be short answers to short questions. The first question is it worth making prints out of your artwork for sale? My short answer would be yes, and I will explain why right away. First of all, I think it's wise to have multiple sources of income as an artist because the job does not have a stable salary and having income just from your originals can be quite risky. Prints are just one way to have that extra income without risking too much. Second, you offer a more inexpensive choice to the customers that cannot afford an original from you and want to support you somehow. A print makes the perfect alternative to that. They have your art on their walls, but they don't spend a fortune on an original, which also means that you reach a wider audience, you build a better relationship with more people and have a huge community around you. The third reason why is not for everyone, but it could mean that you're not forced to use high quality archival materials to create your original if you only plan on making prints out of it. So you can consider that. And that's it, a short answer for a short question. See you next week.